Hi viewers, welcome to AQSC Media YouTube channel. Now we are going to see Areca nut wholesale price in major parts of Karnataka. Kindly share this video to your friends and farmers. Marketplace, Bantwala, Karnataka, Areca nut arrival 2400 kg, variety cocoa, minimum price 125 rupees to maximum price 250 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Bantwala, arrival 4900 kg, new variety, minimum price 275 rupees to maximum price 450 rupees per 1 kg Areca nut. Marketplace Bantwala, arrival 1000 kg, variety old variety, minimum price 460 rupees to maximum price 530 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Honali, beetle nut arrival 500 kg, variety Rashi, maximum price 478 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Karkala, beetle nut arrival 5000 kg, variety new variety, minimum price 380 rupees to maximum price 480 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Kunta, arrival 1000 kg, variety Chipu, minimum price 265 rupees 9 paise to maximum price 310 rupees 19 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Kumta, arrival 950 kg, variety Factory, minimum price 105 rupees 69 paise to maximum price 214 rupees 29 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Kumta, arrival 750 kg, variety Khalechali, minimum price 480 rupees 99 paise to maximum price 506 rupees 29 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Kumta, arrival 80,000 kg, variety Hosasali, minimum price 360 rupees 19 paise to maximum price 400 rupees 19 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Kumta, arrival 750 kg, variety cocoa variety, minimum price 180 rupees 19 paise to maximum price 305 rupees 9 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Puttur, arrival 61,000 kg, variety cocoa variety, minimum price 110 rupees to maximum price 260 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Puttur, arrival 18,500 kg, variety new, minimum price 275 rupees to maximum price 450 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Shimoga, arrival 8,300 kg, variety BT, minimum price 484 rupees 9 paise to maximum price 515 rupees 69 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Shimoga, arrival 27,900 kg, variety Gorabalu, minimum price 171 rupees to maximum price 350 rupees 69 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Shimoga, arrival 1,75,500 kg, Rashi variety, minimum price 440 rupees 69 paise to maximum price 486 rupees 99 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Shimoga, arrival 4,400 kg, variety Saraku, minimum price 550 rupees 9 paise to maximum price 767 rupees 66 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Siddhapur, arrival 7,400 kg, variety Belikotu, minimum price 226 rupees 99 paise to maximum price 340 rupees 99 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Siddhapur, arrival 3,800 kg, variety Coca, minimum price 224 rupees 99 paise to maximum price 330 rupees 99 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Siddhapur, arrival 34,500 kg, variety Hosasali, minimum price 359 rupees 99 paise to maximum price 407 rupees 99 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Siddhapur, arrival 400 kg, variety Kempangottu, minimum price 291 rupees 12 paise to maximum price 314 rupees 99 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Siddhapur, arrival 3400 kg, variety Rashi, minimum price 448 rupees 99 paise to maximum price 485 rupees 99 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Siddhapur, arrival 800 kg, variety Tattapetti, minimum price 358 rupees 89 paise to maximum price 453 rupees 99 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Siddhapur, arrival 800 kg, variety Sali variety, minimum and maximum price 430 rupees 99 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Sirsi, arrival 3200 kg, variety BT, minimum price 380 rupees 69 paise to maximum price 456 rupees 99 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Sirsi, arrival 13500 kg, variety Velikottu, minimum price 132 rupees 96 paise to maximum price 336 rupees 99 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Sirsi, arrival 67,600 kg, variety Sali, minimum price 310 rupees 99 paise to maximum price 412 rupees 11 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Sirsi, arrival 7,400 kg, variety Rashi, minimum price 363 rupees 19 paise to maximum price 491 rupees 99 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Bhadravati, arrival 1,65,200 kg, variety Rashi, minimum price 447 rupees 99 paise to maximum price 485 rupees 99 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Channagiri, arrival 1,35,800 kg, variety Rashi, minimum price 465 rupees to maximum price 484 rupees 99 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Yellapur, arrival 57,900 kg, variety Sali, minimum price 354 rupees 99 paise to maximum price 414 rupees 89 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Yellapur, arrival 18,200 kg, variety Rashi, minimum price 478 rupees 99 paise to maximum price 545 rupees 99 paise per 1 kg. If this video is useful, kindly like and share to everyone. Thank you for watching.